The question is, inside the brackets, 18 divided by 3 plus 4, bracket close, multiplied by, inside the brackets, 10 minus 7, according to the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS? P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division. D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Here, first we'll solve the parentheses, then exponents, and in this, multiplication and division have the same priority, just like addition and subtraction also have the same priority. So we'll check from left to right, whichever comes first gets first priority, the second gets second priority, and the third gets third priority. First, we solve the parentheses. Now, even inside the parentheses, we'll give priority to division first. The second part, addition, according to the PEMDAS rule. 913 divided by 3 plus 4 times 10 minus 7. 9 divided by 3 is 18, which goes 6 times. So 6 plus 4, close the bracket, times 10 minus 7. Now 6 plus 4 inside the bracket becomes 10 times 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 becomes 3. Now let's solve further. 10 times 3 is 30. This is the right answer.